What's up? Welcome back to another Facebook e-commerce video. So recently, well, not recently, like a few months ago, I got my Facebook shop approved, but I never really did anything with it because I got a little burnt out with running my personal Facebook dropshipping store. So now I'm slowly getting into a little routine with listing stuff on my Facebook personal shop or store, and I think it would be a good time to start documenting a shop that does nothing in sales, so hopefully something in sales. And also because I'm kind of running out of ideas with Facebook tutorials. I'm pretty much covered most of the stuff about like how to drop ship and stuff besides hiring VAs, which I've never hired a VA yet. So hopefully I can scale this store up to the point where I need a VA, and then I can start making videos on how to hire a VA, because I don't really want to teach something that I've never done. So it doesn't really make the knowledge authentic. Alright, so now I'm going to dive into the computer and show you how fresh the store is, just the insides of it, like all the visitors, purchases, or sales, which is going to be zero because it's fresh. So I just want to show you the proof that it's fresh. Alright, so we are in the shop insights. So as you can see, everything's zero. So there's no shops, there's no activity during the selected month. There's nothing. I think when I first got approved, I posted some stuff, and I had some viewers, probably I think it was like 10 viewers to my store, and nothing really had much. I made zero sales, so I think that's why it says like 100% down, because it's going off of that metric that I had somebody view my store. So yeah, this is the empty store. And I want to also show that I think I have marketplace enabled on it right here. So as of right now of this recording, it's the end of July, which is perfect timing to start a shop at the beginning of the month. So what I'm gonna probably do with this little series is I'm probably just gonna do like weekly updates to them. And in those updates, I'm probably just gonna talk about the listings I put up, the sales, all the finance stuff that goes into running a drop shipping store. And the goal that I want with this shop is to probably do about like 2,500 in sales. I think that's a reasonable number, because with my personal shop, I was getting close to doing at least like 2,000 a month in sales until I got banned randomly. And I got unbanned, but I haven't figured out why I got banned, because they completely dodged my question whenever I asked the support. So I think on a shop I can do 2,500 a month. If I really focused on it, I could do it. And I have credit cards to run up the numbers, so money isn't the issue. And as of right now, the week goal for this shop is to at least get 1,000 listings by the end of the first week of August. And the softwares that I'm going to be using to run this store is ZDrop. I think that's the only one that I'm going to be using. Product research wise, I'm just going to do quantity with quality listings. That's the strategy so far. And I'm probably going to need ZDrop to put up 1,000 listings, because there's no way that I'm going to get 1,000 manually listed products up in a week. I mean, I probably could do it if I focused on it, but do I have the patience to do that? Probably not. That would take me like 12 hours if I focused on it in a day, and I don't have 12 hours in a day to sit here and do that. So that's basically the rundown of this store. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you for sticking around to the end. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so yet, so you can see whenever I release new videos about e-commerce and running online businesses. And I'm also going to be making some Amazon content pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.